अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आज हम बात करेंगे क्लाउड स्टोरेज और क्लाउड बैकअप के फ़र्क के हवाले से कि इन दोनों में क्या फ़र्क है। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि किसी भी बिज़नेस के लिए डाटा को महफूज करना जो है वो वो जो है वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट टास्क है और इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आप राइट मेथड को चूज़ करें ताकि आप अपने डाटा को इंश्योर कर सकें कि वो महफूज जगह पर मौजूद है। But let's talk about the similarities of these two solutions before we get into the differences of these solutions. दोनों सॉल्यूशंस में आपको ऑनलाइन डाटा स्टोरेज की सहूलत मिलती है। दोनों में आप जो है यू आर सेफ फ्रॉम डिलीशन, एक्सीडेंटली डिलीशन ऑफ योर फाइल्स और करप्शन ऑफ योर फाइल्स और सिंक्रोनाइजेशन जो है वो दोनों सॉल्यूशंस में मौजूद है। और अगर आपका सर्वर क्रैश हो जाए या हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश हो जाए या आपका जो डाटा स्टोरेज है लोकल प्रॉपर्टी में वो क्रैश हो जाए तो देन यू स्टिल हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी to restore the files or copy the files from the cloud storage if it is being utilized. आपका जो डाटा है वो किसी भी डिवाइस में कहीं से भी एक्सेस किया जा सकता है। दैट मीन्स इवन इफ यू आर नॉट ऑन टू द सेम प्रॉपर्टी, यू आर ऑन अ डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी और यू आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंट डिवाइस, even then you can still access the data and have it used for your purpose. So availability of the data anywhere is one of the benefit of the cloud storage or the cloud backup you will be using. So these are the similarities of these two solutions, but when we talk about the differences, it does have the differences which are very important. So that's why it's very important to choose the right method, and हम आपको जो है इसके फ़र्क के हवाले से बताएंगे ताकि आपको इसको चूज़ करने में आसानी हो। तो अगर हम लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्टोरेज फर्स्ट, द क्लाउड स्टोरेज जैसे कि आपको मालूम है आजकल के बहुत ज़्यादा क्लाउड स्टोरेज ऑप्शंस मौजूद है जिसमें गूगल ड्राइव और ड्रॉपबॉक्स और इवन iCloud फ्रॉम एप्पल, they are offering you the storage facility and you can just copy the files there and keep them for a certain period and then restore them. लेकिन you cannot use this data as to be in your backup because the problem with this storage is that ये जो storage device और ये जो storage solutions आपको मिलते हैं इसमें वो synchronization जो है वो at the same time होती है। तो that means कि if you delete something from your local drive तो आपका जो online storage है उसमें भी वो modify या delete हो जाएगी file and it won't be available there. Similarly, if you modify anything and into the file, or if you work and then you modify something and copy the data there, then it will overwrite the data onto the storage location, onto the cloud, and then you won't have the previous file if you need it again, or if by accidentally you have copied the wrong files, then you won't be able to retrieve them again. तो इस तरह ये समझें कि इंस्टेंट सिंक्रोनाइजेशन जो है वो आपका बेसिकली बैकअप नहीं है, दैट इज़ जस्ट इन स्टोरेज एंड इट इज़ free up your hard disk from the local device and then it just add into a different location. तो आपका डाटा जो है वो एज अ कॉपी वहाँ पे मौजूद तो है लेकिन दैट इज़ नॉट कॉल्ड एज बैकअप इन द बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट. तो जब हम क्लाउड बैकअप की बात करते हैं तो इट इज़ फ्री फ्रॉम डिलीशन एंड इट इज़ सेफ एंड फ्री फ्रॉम द करप्टेड फाइल्स and then it is secure as well because it is encrypted during the process of transferring as well as when it goes to the storage device of the cloud. And then at the same time it is a scanned copy of the data, not the synchronized copy of the data. Synchronized जैसा कि मैंने पहले आपसे अर्ज़ किया कि synchronized कि आपका डाटा जो है वो रिप्लेस कर देता है और स्कैन कॉपी मीन्स कि it create another folder for the data and then it keeps it for you. And then the third part, which is the most important, is that it has a cycle of creating the backup of your data. So you basically choose the cycle of the backup and then it creates a daily backup and then the weekly backup and then bi-weekly backup as well you can have, and then monthly backup and then yearly backup. So basically the daily backup, when you finish your day, the data takes one backup for this, and then the next day it takes another backup for the next other day, and then that cycle goes until 7 days. So after 7 days it takes the backup of all 7 days, and then it keep it for you. That what it does for the whole week, and then during the month it takes the backup of all 4 weeks. So the 4 backups are created for the whole week. So at the end of the month you have 4 backups for each week to be stored onto your backup device, and then on yearly basis when the year ends, you take the backup of every month. So then you have the cycle of the whole year of backup with you. So and it is not synchronized, but it is scanned. And the beauty of this backup feature or the storage device that you use is that you can restore files from the backdated given any date or any time of given any date and time of the data. So this is the difference of the backup and the storage devices. So think carefully. जैसा कि मैं आपको इस स्लाइड में भी दिखाऊंगा कि जो क्लाउड स्टोरेज है उसमें it's a two-way communication, so the data goes and come back with the synchronization mode, and one-way communication means that data goes to the backup drive and it stays there, and then it is saved, and it doesn't come back when you want to restore it, but it comes as an additional file whenever you require it. So that's the main difference. So when you think of changing the backup, when you think of having the backup of your data, then think carefully there and choose the right method. The suggestion is that you go for a backup solution only, not the storage solution, because that is safe for your data as well as for your business. And in another video I will discuss with you about the different type of backup solutions that you have. The tape backup solution, which is on the property itself, and then you do have the facility for the cloud backup, as we just discussed. So which solution is better, that we will discuss in a different video, and so I will suggest you to subscribe the channel, and so that all the latest videos will be on the list. And until then, I say thank you to you, and Allah Hafiz. I will see you in the next video, and Allah Hafiz.